Now we're going to take a look at pictographs. We're going to understand what a pictograph is and why it's used, and then we're going to use pictographs to interpret data and answer some questions about the data. So a pictograph is just a way of representing data using images, and each image represents a specific quantity. So if you look at this pictograph here, each star here represents 8 pictures, and we're looking at the number of pictures sold by month. So for example, February has 3 stars, so that actually represents 24 pictures. So the pictogram represents the number of pictures sold by a photography store. How many pictures were sold in February? So we have 3 stars here, so 3 stars, and each star represents 8 pictures, so we have 24 pictures were sold in February. In what month did the store sell the most pictures? So we look at the month with the most number of stars. So we look at April. April has the most number of stars, and we can see that we have 8 stars. So the month that sold the most the month where the store sold the most pictures is April. And we have 8 times 8, which is 64 pictures. And then, what is the average number of pictures sold during the period? So let's look at, we're going to add up the number of pictures sold for every single month, and we divide it by 5. So January we sold 6 times 8, which is 48. February we sold 3 times 8, which is 24. March we have 5 times 8, and that gives us 40. April we have 8 times 8, that gives us 64. May we have 4 times 8, that gives us 32. So this is one approach, and I'm going to show you a different approach shortly. So when you add this up together, we have 8 plus 4, 12 plus 4, 16 plus 2. We have 18. Bring a 1 up here. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 2. 7 plus 4, 11. Plus 6, 17 plus 3, 20. So we have 208 pictures sold for that period. And what we're going to do with that is we're going to divide by 5. So 208 divided by 5 is going to give us about 41.6 pictures. Now, the second approach we could take is, we could say 6 stars plus 3 stars plus 5 stars plus 8 stars plus 4 stars, and see what that gives us. 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 5, 14 plus 8, 22 plus 4, 26. So we can divide that by 5. So 26 divided by 5 is going to give you 5.2. So we're going to have an average of 5.2 stars over that period, and then we multiply by 8, which is going to give us 41.6 pictures. So either way, you get the same result.